how to find all of your liked reels in Instagram. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find all of your liked reels on Instagram. So the first step obviously is to launch your Instagram application by tapping onto the app icon, and now you can see we are inside the Instagram homepage. Now from here you will need to click onto your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and within your profile page you can see these three lines present at the top right corner of the screen. So click onto these three lines and it will lead you to settings and activity tab, and under here you will see your activity. So simply click onto your activity, and now under your activity you can see likes. So from here simply click onto this likes option, and it will show you all of the posts or reels that you have liked. And in order to filter out all of the reels, simply click on to all content types, and from here remove the posts and only select reels and click on apply. Now since I have not liked any reels with this account, it is showing me empty, but in your case it will show you all of the reels that you have liked. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.